Hello guys and welcome to episode 27, where we'll be solving 5 more SQL problems, this time from the city of San Francisco. So let's get started with problem number 1 here. We have to find libraries with highest number of total renewals. Highest number, that could be a max here. That's kind of what it sounds, highest number. We have to output home library definition along with corresponding total renewals. Then we have to order records by total renewals in descending order. So we have to output 2 columns here. And we have to figure out this one, highest number. That does sound like a max. The highest number of total renewals. Let's see here. We have here this column, total renewals. So let's try that. The highest number for every, we're going to say here max. We have to show the home library definitions. Now we have a column here called home library definition. We're going to copy that. And we're going to find the maximum. We're going to group by 1, which is this one. And what else do we have? Output. Okay, we did this. Order. Now we have to order by total renewals descending. This one, let's call it literally the same, total renewals. And we're going to put it descending. Highest. Okay, let's see if this works. And it doesn't work. So looking at their solution right here, they used the sum. Sum, that doesn't really make sense. The sum instead of the max. Why? Because they're asking for the highest number. Find libraries with the highest number of this column right here. So what I understand through this is find the maximum of this value of this column for each library. They should have, if they wanted the sum, you should have said find the total renewals for each library, but it's like a total of total renewals. This is some terrible wording right here, I swear. Anyway, let's just put sum here. Apparently it's correct, but I don't agree with the wording here. The solution is not great. Anyway, quick recap. We are grouping for every home library definition, and then we are summing the total renewals already, and then we're ordering them, even though here it says highest. Anyway, let's move on to problem number 2. Right here, the benefits. Find benefits that people with name Patrick, that's definitely a filter, name Patrick. Output the employee name. We have 1 column and the corresponding benefits. So we have 2 columns. 2 columns, 1 filter. Easy. Employee name, we're going to use this one here. And the benefits. And the benefits is this one here. It's called literally benefits. We're going to say this and then benefits, where the name, employee name, contains the word Patrick. That should be the final output. And I forgot an S here. I put Patrick's. My bad. Now everything is fine. So quick recap. We want to select the employee and the benefits only for employees where they have Patrick in their name. Problem number 3, find the number of patrons who renewed books at least once. Renewed at least once, but less than 10. So that's clearly a between statement here. And then we have April 2015. That's another filter. And then they just tell us that each row is a unique patron. So what we have to do here, we have to find a count of everything. And here we have a between. And then some filters. We're going to say count of all of the rows where, let's see, first filter, renewed books at least between 1 and 10. Renewed books. Now if we look here, renewed books, probably this one, total renewals. So let's check out this one. Let's say between 1 and 9, because less than 10. And if we use between and, it's going to use these 2 as well. They're going to be included. Now the other filter is April 2015. Here we actually have 2 different columns, a float and a month. So we're going to say this one, the year equals 2015 and the month equals, since it's a varchar, we're going to say April. And this one we're going to rename with patrons. Now let's check the solution. Everything seems to be fine. There are 3 of them. So quick recap, we want to find all of the different patrons where these 3 filters right here are true. The month is April, the year is 2015, and the total renewals is between 1 and 9 included. So less than 10. Problem number 4, find the business names scored less than 50 in inspections. This is a filter. We have to output result, the result being the business names with the inspection date and score. We have 3 columns and then we have 1 filter. Let's get started here. Business names, inspection date. Business name, inspection date, and then we need inspection score. Right? Now we need to put our filter where the inspection score, 50 inspections. Then 50 in inspections. Okay, so it's probably this. Less than 50, and let's check it out. Right, we're getting duplicates here. So probably we have to do the different businesses. And now everything is correct, just that the date, our date is like this with it gives us the time, because here if we look, the inspection date, it's date time, so we have to convert it. We're just gonna say date. And let's check out the solution now. Now everything is correct. So we have to show all the different business names and then just the date and the inspection score where the inspection score is less than 50. So here, the reason we're putting the inspection date into the date function is because down here we have, where is it? Down here we have inspection date and it is date time. So we're going to get all that T0000 and so on. Problem number 5 and the last one, find all the business postal codes, all of them. That could be a count. Of restaurants, could be a filter, restaurants. But you can see down here, if you see, I don't think you can see actually. But here, restaurants, it probably is not a filter because the table has restaurants in them. With issues related to water. So here is just a simple filter. We have to look for the word water in violation description. Business postal codes. That's what we actually have to find, and we have 1 filter. Business postal code, this one, and so we want all of the different codes. Find all codes. Let's try actually without different, and then we'll see what we get. Now we have to say where, and they said violation description or something. Yeah, violation description like contains the word water, and it's not correct. I'm not even gonna look there. Gonna just put distinct here. And there we go, yeah. Even though it says all of them, probably all different. Anyway, this is the final answer. We have to find all of the distinct postal codes where we find the word water in the violation description. So that was it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. And if you enjoy these kinds of problems, I highly encourage you to join the StrataScratch community. Consider using the affiliate link in the description. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.